Welcome to Electronic Engineering. This is Orcad tutorial for beginners series. This is default Orcad window. You can open or create new schematic yourself. I like to dock to left to cover all pages. To make the schematic like this, you must add many components, wires, and other things. In big project, you will take a time to make schematic, maybe few days or a weeks to work. That why, you need to know some shortkey to use, to increase your performance. Example, to place part, you select the icon. Or use shortkey P button. You can see some shortkey when you move the mouse to each icon. To rotate, press the R button. To place power, you can press the F button. To add wire, press the W button. You can also copy and paste all the items in schematic. To drawing RAM bus, first, you need add net alias. You can press N button. Then you place bus and bus entry to connect the net. You can zoom in, zoom out by press I, O button or, hold Control key and scroll mouse. This is some shortkey I often use to drawing schematic. Hope this video helped for you. Share and subscribe to follow us.